In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Square to Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. This new sheet is where your Square data will eventually be sent, so it helps to name the file right away and keep it somewhere easy to find in your drive. You can also add column headers now if you already know what information you want to track, like order totals, item names, or timestamps. Setting up the sheet first makes the connection smoother later. Next, switch over to Zapier in your web browser. Zapier is the tool that will connect Square and Google Sheets, so you will want to be signed in and on your main dashboard. From the home area, click the section that is highlighted on the screen to open your main navigation options. Then select App Connections. This is where Zapier stores and manages the apps you have linked, including payment platforms and spreadsheets. Once you are on the App Connections page, follow the highlighted areas shown to locate the Connections workspace. Take your time here because Zapier can display different layouts depending on your account. The goal is to reach the place where you can add a new connection for the apps you want to use. Now click Create. This is the option that starts a new connection or setup flow. After that, click Zaps. Zaps are Zapier's automated workflows, and this is where you will connect Square as the trigger and Google Sheets as the action. Keeping your new spreadsheet open in another tab can be helpful because you may need to select it during setup. Finally, in the Zap editor, click into the highlighted search or input field and type what you need to find the apps or the workflow you are creating. As you type, Zapier will narrow down the options so you can choose Square and Google Sheets for your automation. Make sure you select the correct accounts when prompted and confirm you are connecting to the specific spreadsheet you created earlier. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.